In the previous class, we had discussed this topic, working with slide masters. This topic was complete, and now we are going to start our new topic, that is 2.4.1, applying a background through slide master. We have discussed slide master in previous classes also. Now the question is how to apply same background to all the slides using slide master. Suppose these are our slides and I want to change background color, or I want to change background hatching, or I want to change background gradient of all the slides. One thing that I can do is I can change the background of each slide individually one by one. It will take so much time. So to solve this problem, we have one option of using slide master. So the question was how to apply same background, same color or same gradient or same hatching or same bitmap to all the slides using slide master. So we will see how we can open slide master. We will click on view, then click on master, and from here we will select slide master. Whatever changes we will do to slide master will be applied to all the slides automatically. Okay, so here we are going to change the background. So either we can click on format and then click on page. Here we will come to the background option, or we can right click here, select slide and then select page setup. From here we can change the background. We will select, suppose we are selecting color, and here we are changing the color to orange and then OK. So this color is applied to this master slide, and it means that this color will be applied to all the slides. If I will close master view, then I will see that this color is applied to all the slides. Again we can see, click on view and then master and then slide master. This is our slide master. Whatever formatting we will do to slide master will be applied to all the slides. Now here I am going for right click, then slide and then page setup, and from here I am changing the fill to bitmap, and from here I am selecting a basic sky. So you can see we have changed the background, and this background is now applied to all the slides. So if we want to change background of all the slides, we will go for slide master instead of applying the background individually to all the slides. Okay. Now our next topic is 2.4.2, adding header and footer through slide master. We all know that whatever comes at the top is called header, and whatever comes at the bottom of the slide is called footer. How can we change header and footer of all the slides using slide master? So headers and footers are very useful for displaying similar information on each slide. So whatever you will give in header will be given to all the slides, and whatever you will write in footer will be applied to all the slides. Now the question comes, how to add header and footer to all the slides using slide master. We know that whatever we do to slide master is applied to all the slides. So if we will change header and footer in slide master, it will also be applied to all the slides. Let us open this. So for that we will first open slide master. For that we will click on view, then master and then slide master. Okay, here you can see this is used for header, and these are used for footer, date and time, footer, any text as footer, and number, slide number. Now there is one problem here, that headers are not available for normal. headers are not available for normal means slide master. For slide master we don't have header. We can have header if we go for handout master. We have header here. Header we are having here. We can change the header from here, or we have header for notes master. Here you can see we have the header. Okay, we can change the header from here. Okay, but we don't have header for slide master. We don't have any header for slide master. So if we want to add anything and that we want to be applied to all the slides, what we have to do, we need to select this one and we should be placing it at the top. Then only we can use it as header, because headers are not applied for slide master, not available for slide master. So I can take this text at the top and then I will write something that will be visible to all the slides and that will be available as a header. So headers are not available for slide master. They are available for handout master and they are available for notes master. Okay, but they are not available for slide master. So for that we need to go for footer. Then we will displace the footer from there and move it as header. Okay, now we are going to open slide master. This is our slide master, and now the question is, how can we add header or footer to all the slides using slide master? So we are right now in slide master, and from here suppose I am giving date 2/2/2021. Okay, so I have changed the date from here and it should be applied to all the slides. Now you can see this date is applied to all the slides. Date is available here, so that is applied to all the slides. Likewise, we can go to slide master and we can go for slide number also. We can change it and we can place 1. It will be applied to all the slides. Okay, so it is not checked from there. We will see why this is not getting appeared in all the slides. Okay, in the next session we will discuss why it is not showing. Next thing is how to delete certain placeholders. We have seen placeholders like date and time, footer was available, and slide number. These 3 placeholders were available in slide master for the footer section. So if you don't want to go for date or time, or if you want to delete footer option, or if you want to delete slide number option, then how can we do this? So we will come here, again we will click on view, and then we will right click here and then master elements. You can see 3 master elements are there. Okay, you can see header is not available, date and time is available, footer is available, slide number is available. Suppose I don't want date and time, so I will just deselect it and then click on OK. So this is not available now. This is not available now. So if you want to delete any placeholder, then you can do this. Click on view, then master, and then master elements, and from here you can have one option or you can delete one option if you want. Okay, now the next topic is 2.4.3 adding objects, slide number, date and time through slide master. Okay, we have seen that I use this option to give the slide number but that was not visible. So what was the reason why slide master view was not able to apply slide numbers to all the slides? We used this option slide number, but it was not able to apply slide number to all the slides. So what happened actually? So topic is adding objects. The objects are slide number, date and time, and how can we do this using slide master? So the topic is how to add objects like slide number, date and footer through slide master. So we will come here, and here we will go to view, and then we will go to header and footer. Okay, here you can see slide number is not selected. That is why I gave slide number option, but it was not visible because this was not selected. In the previous option I was not able to show you slide number because this was not selected. So what we will do, we will click on view and then header and footer, and from here we have two options, slide and notes and handout. We will go for slides. One other way we are having is we can go to insert, and then from here we can click on page number, and from here we have the option, this same option will come. Or we can click on insert and then we can click on date and time, this option will come. So now here date and time is selected, but it is fixed. So I want to go for variable, and from here we will select date and time. Suppose I want it to be like this. Okay, here footer is selected. Suppose I want to place some text as footer. And I want to go for slide numbers also. Then I will click on apply to all, and then you can see slide number is available, footer is available, and date is available. Okay, you can see date is available, footer is available, and slide number is available. Okay, so this way we can give the slide numbers, footer or date, and we can put time also. Okay, now the question is how to change the position or formatting of these master objects. Okay, if you want to change the position of these master objects, or if you want to format these master objects like slide number, date or footer, so how can we do this? Again we will click on view, then master, then slide master, and from here we have the options. Suppose I want to change the place of this, so I will just drag it and I can place it here also. It will be shown here now. Okay, so I can take it to any other place also. For other formatting, suppose date and time is there, I can just select date and time, and I can make it bold, I can make it underline also. Then you can see this will be applied to all the slides. It is now underlined, it is now bold. So that was the question, how to change position. So we can drag and drop and release to change the position of slide number, date or footer. And how can we do the formatting? We will select the text and then we can make it bold, italic, underline, whatever we want. We can change the text color also. So this way we can change the position and we can do formatting on the master objects. Now our next topic is 2.4.4, applying a slide master. Applying a slide master to all the slides or applying slide master to multiple slides. Okay, we can have multiple slide masters in a presentation. Suppose in a presentation we have 10 slides, So we can have slide master for 3 slides, then next slide master for another 3 slides, and next for another 4 slides. Like this we can do this. So either we can apply slide master to all the slides, or we can take slide master for some slides and another slide master for some other slides. So now the question comes, how to apply a slide master to all the slides in the presentation? Means if you want to change background to all the slides using slide master, you can do this. So how can we do this? Suppose right now I have multiple slides. I have 4 slides with me, and I want to use slide master and change the background or formatting of these slides. So what I will do, I will just go here. This is task pane, and from here I will click on masters pages. So all the masters pages will be visible. These are all available for use. Okay, some of these are pre-formatted, pre-installed by the company, or I have saved some also. For example, this one class 9B is saved by me. Okay, class 9D is saved by me. So some of them I can save also as template, or I can go for pre-formatted and those which are previously available. Just I will click on any of the slide master, it will get applied to all the slides. You can see I just clicked on one slide master and it got applied to all the slides at the same time. Now the question is, how to make master pages section visible in task pane if it is not visible? Just now we saw that it was not visible. This master pages section was not visible, and what I did, it was like this. So I just clicked here master pages and it became visible. So if it is not visible, we will just click on master pages and it will become visible. In the task pane we have to do this. Now next is how to apply a slide master to selected slides in the presentation, not to all slides in the presentation. So there are 4 slides in the presentation and I want to go for master slide only for slide number 1 and slide number 3. I don't want master slides for all the slides. For this we will have 2 and 4, we will have different slide master. So what I will do, I will click on one slide, then press Ctrl key, then select this one. So we have selected slide number 1 and slide number 3. So if I want to use slide master for these only slides, again I will click on master pages, and here we have different master pages available for formatting, and from here I will right click and then we have the option apply to selected slides. Now this master slide will work for the selected slides 1 and 3. You can see this slide master now worked for slide number 1 and slide number 3 only. 2 and 4 slides now remained same as it was earlier. So if we want to go for slide master for some slides, we can also do this. Now instead of using apply to selected slides, if I would have used apply to all slides, the slide master would have worked for all the slides. Okay. Now next is 2.4.5, modifying a slide master. If you want to modify slide master's characteristics, then how can we do this? So slide master is pre-formatted, these are available, and you can modify them, you can change them or you can format them. So for that we will click on view, then master, and then slide master. So right now we have slide master, and if you want to modify them, we can modify a number of things. For example, I can change the position of date and time. I can delete footer also. You know very well how can we delete footer. We will click on view, then master elements, and from here I can delete footer. So these are the formattings that we can do to slide master. So to modify a slide master's characteristics, we can go for formatting of slide master. So the last topic is templates versus slide master. What are these two things, templates and slide master? First of all, what is template? We have discussed template before also. Suppose I have these 4 slides, okay, and these slides I have saved before also, and I am just using them. For example, you can just click on file and then new, and then from here presentation, and from here we can select template. What will happen? I will get 3 or 4 or 5 slides with different layout. Some will be having title, some will be available for picture. Like this we will get 6 to 7, 4 to 5 slides. Just they are created for some purpose. For example, for any company, what we have to do, we have just to change the name of the company and text. Other things are previously done. So this is template. It gives us multiple slides with different layout, different design to help us in our work. We do not need to do the formatting, we just need to type the text and our work is over. But if you are not satisfied with these 6 to 7 slides, 4 to 5 slides as a template, then you can change the background or features or formats of these template slides also using slide master. Okay, so a template is a blueprint of 3 to 4 slides or 5 to 6 slides on which you create a presentation, on which a presentation is created. Now if you are not satisfied with the formatting of the template slides, then within the presentation you can change the design theme via slide master. So suppose these were 4 slides available as a template and I wanted to change the formatting. Then what I did, I just used slide master and it got applied to all the slides. So when you have created all of the slide masters you want to use in your presentation, you can save them also. You can see I have also saved them. This is class 9B, this is class 9D. So I have also saved 2 slide masters for my future usage. So if you have created slide masters that you like, then you can use them with other presentation also. So for that you can save them as an Impress template. Then anytime you want to create presentation using those masters, you will just open a new presentation and then you can just select it from masters pages and you can start working. So these are topics of this chapter.